Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Code. We'll explore how these two essential tools, Figma for design and Code for development, play distinct yet complementary roles in bringing digital products to life. This comparison will help you understand their individual strengths and when to leverage each for optimal efficiency in your projects, ensuring a smoother transition from concept to a fully functional product. Figma shines as a powerful design tool, offering unparalleled capabilities for creating stunning user interfaces and experiences. Its real-time collaboration features allow design teams to work together seamlessly, making iterative changes and gathering feedback efficiently. With robust prototyping tools, designers can bring their static designs to life, simulating user flows and interactions before any code is written, saving valuable development time and resources. On the other hand, Code is where designs transform into tangible, functional products. Developers use programming languages like JavaScript, Python, or Swift to build the underlying architecture, implement features, and ensure robust performance. Code offers ultimate control over every aspect of an application, from complex logic to data handling and integration with other systems, making it indispensable for creating truly dynamic and interactive digital experiences. So, when should you use Figma versus Code? Figma is your go-to for the initial design phase, from brainstorming and wireframing to creating high-fidelity prototypes and gathering user feedback. It's perfect for visualizing and iterating on the user experience. Code takes over when it's time to build the actual product, handling all the complex logic, data management, and ensuring the application functions flawlessly across various platforms and devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.